Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do CapCut trend in TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end. To do CapCut trend on TikTok, firstly go ahead and open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. This will take you straight to your camera roll. Go ahead and pick your photos from your library that you'd like to use. You can pick up to 11 photos. Once you have selected your photo, click on Add button at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap on one of the picture and at the bottom tap on Style. From the Style category, tap on 3D Zoom option. Repeat the process to every photos that you have added. Edit your clips, and once you're done, finish your video by tapping on arrow icon at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Share to TikTok option. Upload your video by tapping on Next button. You can also add your sound of your choice, apply your filter that you would like to use, upload your video, and that's how you'll be able to do CapCut trend on TikTok quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.